Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your MagicBand Plus won't pair with the Disneyland mobile app, the issue is usually caused by Bluetooth settings, a low battery, outdated software, or a temporary connection problem. Fortunately, most pairing issues can be resolved by checking your phone settings, restarting the band, or repairing the connection. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix MagicBand Plus pairing problems in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for getting your MagicBand Plus connected to and ready for your Disneyland visit. First thing, check your MagicBand Plus. Like before pairing, charge your MagicBand Plus if the battery is low, like make sure it's powered on. Confirm it's already linked to your Disney account. A charged and linked MagicBand is already paired. Check Bluetooth on your phone, open settings, turn on or turn Bluetooth on, keep your MagicBand Plus close to your phone. Bluetooth is required for pairing and software updates. So pair your MagicBand Plus like inside the Disneyland app. Open the MagicBand Plus section, select your linked Magic Band Plus, okay? So you have to find it here, okay? Select your linked MagicBand Plus, tap pair or reconnect if available, and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so restart your MagicBand Plus. If pairing fails, press and hold the button on the back of the MagicBand Plus for about 6 seconds until it vibrates twice to power it off. Press the button again for about 1 second to turn it back on and try pairing again. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.